Newsletter book promotion sites as part of a free or sale strategy. NBPS. This is kind of embarrassing. I made up the term newsletter book promotion sites. I have no idea what they're officially called. Reader discovery sites, book sales and freebie list newsletters, book promo sites. I don't know that they have an official title, but I can tell you what they are and how you can leverage them to get book downloads and sales. Since I call them newsletter book promo sites, I'm going to stick with that and shorten it to NBPS, which is still kind of a mouthful. For readers, on the reader side, NBPS are websites and newsletters that they subscribe to that list book discounts, free downloads, and sometimes recommend books they may enjoy based on their profile. These are most often segmented according to the reader's preferred genres. These sites do not sell books, though some of them may include Amazon Associate affiliate links on their website. For authors, on the author side, NBPS are a service where you can submit your book when you're having a sale or setting the book for a free promotion. Some allow permanently free books as well. This is usually for a fee, often related to your genre and whether you're listing it for free or 99 cents, though there are some NBPS that offer the service for free. Additionally, some offer a book of the day feature or prominent listing on their website and/or newsletter for an additional charge. Read the fine print. Some NBPS have a requirement for the number of reviews and pages, so be sure to read the fine print, usually listed on the website. Most sites also have a review process, whether for content or if they think your book is a good fit for their readership and/or what they have space for in their newsletter. If you aren't selected the first time around, unless there's a good reason, try again at a later date. Also, most sites only allow you to request inclusion in their newsletter according to some span of time. For example, you can't apply more than every 90 days with the same book, but you can certainly apply for a different book to be included. First in series. We've found that we have the most success with listing the first book in a series after several more have been released because you gain the advantage of readers going on to read the subsequent books. This can sometimes pay for the listing and/or increase ranking, visibility, and earn you money via sales and page reads if your book is in Kindle Unlimited for the subsequent books in the series. We haven't tried all the sites listed, and there are many more, often genre-based, that you can look for, but to get you started, here are a few newsletter book promotion sites. Awesome Gang, Bargain Booksy, BookBub, Book Gorilla, Book Sends, Choosy Bookworm, eReader News Today, Free Booksy, Fussy Librarian, Hidden Gems, Kindle Nation Daily, My Book Cave, Robin Reads. Final notes. Plan ahead. Most NBPSs book out weeks or months in advance. Double check that your book is the price it is supposed to be for your promotion. If running a sale or freebie, you can arrange to have several of these sites promoting your book over the duration of your deal to reach a variety of readers.